Do you have any Vista 21iP 4G systems installed at customer locations? Are you aware that upgrading the cellular communicator on these boards requires a panel swap to make the system compatible with the LTE-21V communicator? Did you know that the onboard communicator can be disabled by a jumper so that you can add an external device? These are the questions we'll answer in today's tech tip. First, since the Vista 21iP has an onboard IP communicator that cannot be firmware upgraded, a panel swap is required if you want to change the cellular path over to a LTE-21V. This can be time-consuming and make a quick radio swap more involved. However, there is an easier way. On the left-hand side of the board, there is a 3-pin jumper. If you remove this jumper, it completely powers down the onboard communicator. Now you are free to add an LTE-MP device to the system, giving your customer a noticeable upgrade. How is this different than just an LTE upgrade? I'm glad you asked. The LTE-MP communicator is built on the Pro Series backend, which gives your customer a persistent connection to Total Connect. The speed of their connection for arming, disarming or code changes will be significantly faster, and noticeable right away. So, how is this a tech tip? It sounds like a sales pitch. Let me explain. Back to the first part, you need to be aware of the need to either disable the onboard communicator, or swap the panel with a newer Vista 21iP LTE board. The second part deals with the radio replacement on AlarmNet 360. I've heard stories from people saying they were told to delete the radio account first, and then add the LTE-MP as a new communicator. Please, don't do this. If you are asked to do this, please ask why. Here are a couple of reasons you don't want to delete it. 1. You will lose your radio upgrade rebate. And 2. Depending on how you delete it, you may just create a lot of extra work for yourself and the customer. So, here's how you replace it without deleting. Locate the account on AlarmNet 360 Programming. Under the Actions tab, select Replace Device and then click the Go icon. Select that you are replacing with an LTE-MPA or LTE-MPV. Verify that you are replacing the correct account and click Proceed. Select a reason for replacement. I would expect it's upgrade from 3G/4G. On the next screen, fill out all customer information. Make sure to enter a location name, if one is not already present. Further down the screen, select Vista for the control panel type, if it is not already selected. Enter the MAC ID and MAC CRC numbers and click Continue. If the system already had Total Connect, continue by clicking Finish. If it did not, you may add it here by changing the package selection to Smart Security or Smart Home. After clicking Finish, click Confirm Creation. You can now click Configure Panel, and you're ready to install the new LTE-MP communicator. If you've already installed the LTE-MP device and have it ready for registration, click Register Radio. Always remember to check the LTE-MP communicator firmware after registration. If an upgrade is available, upgrade it now. We hope this information has been helpful for you. Please share this tech tip with anyone you believe could benefit from it.